I may have seen others, but I only have a specific recollection of one performance. I'm old enough to remember it that clearly, so it would have been, I don't think, any earlier than 1954, but in that range. And I believe it was in a school. I believe it was in the Lower East Side. It may have been the Folksbiene, whether they did, maybe at that point they didn't really have a home, because I feel pretty strongly like it was in a school. These schools in New York have these grand auditoriums and the play was, while I didn't understand any of the words, it was in Yiddish. She was a nurse, white, at that time, white uniform with a nurse's hat, and I'm fairly certain it took place during the war, during World War II. May have had a Holocaust-related theme. I don't know. I remember a lot of crying and wailing from my grandmother and other people on the stage. And I could probably, if you wanted me to set up the scene right now, I could say, she was standing there and there were these people sitting around a table. I know exactly, but what really was going on, what was really the plot, I couldn't tell you that. That's the only one that I remember. I may have been taken to others, but probably at an age too young to remember.